आम सह अच्छी मेक इन ओडिशा रे जोहो वर्कप्लेस रो मार्केटिंग हेड नवनीत सुरेश आसतु तांकठु बुझिबा जे स्मॉल एंड मीडियम स्केल एंटरप्राइजेस पई कोन रही कंपनी रो प्लान। Navneet, welcome to Make in Odisha.
Thank you.
Now you are in Odisha. Now, what actually you are focusing?
So we want to increase our market share in Orissa. तो इसके लिए हम ओडिशा के रीजन में जो पार्टनर्स हैं उनको हम रिक्रूट करना चाहते हैं ताकि उनके जरिए हम जोहो के प्रोडक्ट्स को और ज़्यादा बिजनेसेस के पास पहुंचा सके और ताकि और ज़्यादा स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइज बिजनेसेस को जोहो के सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशंस का फायदा मिले।
Democratization of software, what actually mean?
It means that software should access to software should not be limited to only a few companies that have deep pockets. It should be available and accessible to everyone because every business has the same problems that need to be solved, and software can solve these business problems. So when in Zoho we say democratization of IT, it means that we try to make sure that these softwares are accessible by as many businesses as possible and it is affordable to everyone.
What core problem you want to address?
The core problem we want to address is that a business does not need to depend on multiple third-party software vendors. They can just depend on Zoho, and under one roof all their problems will be solved because we have software that can run an entire business.
Okay. Sir, actually what is your offering for small and medium scale enterprises?
So today's digital age, definitely every small and medium enterprise requires a website because people will search for the business on Google, so they need to have a website. We have a website builder for that, and when you meet customers and you give them your visiting card, it doesn't look good if you have a Gmail ID and if you are the owner of a business. So to sound professional, you need a business email ID. So for that we have Zoho Mail, and every employee of the company requires an email ID. And once you have a website and email addresses, you need to do marketing, digital promotions for your business. For that, for doing email marketing, we have Zoho Campaigns, so that you can send out mass mailers. And to do, if you want to promote your business on social media, we have Zoho Social. If you want to provide customer support and have a dedicated support team, for that we have Zoho Desk. And to manage your sales and marketing, all your leads that coming in through your website, through your social media, for that we have the flagship product Zoho CRM. So for different business problems, we have different software. If you want to manage your employee directory and payroll, we have HR management solutions like Zoho People and Zoho Recruit. So for every problem of the business, we have a different software. The idea is we have software to run the entire business. That is the motto of Zoho.
Sir, actually what is the cost factor? How it is cost effective with if we compare to your competitors?
So if you look at small and medium enterprises less than 50 employees, they can go for our bundles like Workplace or CRM Plus, which start at 99 rupees per user per month. So for an entire year it will be like 1200 rupees. But if the same small and medium enterprise needs to invest in multiple software like accounting, like CRM, like project management, easily it can cost them 3,000 to 4,000 rupees per month. Whereas we have recently launched a bundle called Zoho One, which gives all the applications including CRM, help desk, email, marketing campaigns, accounting, invoicing, everything for one flat price of 999 per user per month, which will work out to 12,000 rupees per user per year. So this is extremely cost effective because it gives access to more than 45 business critical applications. This is a price that is impossible to beat by the competition. No other company in the market has such a wide offering of software applications for such a low price.
Okay, sir, how you are providing the services for the customer?
So we have in-house support team available 24/7. We provide support over telephone, over email, or over chat, and we also conduct training sessions via online webinars and remote assist sessions. So our sales and support team is always available at the disposal of customers for them to take advantage of.
So for partners, what is your business model?
So with partners, we have a revenue share model. As a consulting partner, the partners stand to earn 25% commission of the license subscription fee for 4 years of the first 4 years of the customer's life cycle. This is a pretty competitive revenue share model compared to other companies in the market, and the benefit with Zoho is, since we have so many applications, the partner can continue to cross-sell more applications and keep earning more revenue from the same customer. Like our partner today, Arnab, was saying 70% of the revenue for any business is through existing customers. So to existing customers, partners can sell from more and more of the suite of applications that we have available in Zoho. And to new customers also, when partners sell, they get 25% commission for 4 years.
What do you see the year-on-year growth for your company?
So the partner channel revenue itself has been growing at more than 50%, and we are expecting it to increase over the next few years. The revenue growth itself has been growing at 20 to 30% for the last 5 years now. So that is a very healthy rate of growth.
So users?
So currently we have around 35 million users all over the world.
In India?
India and across the world, all over the world. I don't have the specific count for the number of users in India alone. It should definitely be more than 7 or 8 million in India itself. India is now becoming one of our biggest markets, which is why we are conducting events like the one we are conducting today in Bhubaneswar, Orissa. And soon we are stepping up our marketing and sales efforts. We are opening another support office in Renigunta, which will provide support in local languages like Telugu, Tamil, Hindi as well. So the focus right now is a lot towards India. We see a lot of potential in the Indian market.
What target you have fixed for coming 3 years?
For coming 3 years, we want to see the Zoho One offering taking off really well, because it is excellent value for money. Like I said, just 1,000 rupees per user per month. We want to see more businesses, more larger enterprise businesses also to adopt Zoho One. That is our biggest aim, because there is no other similar offering in the market, and we are the first to the market with such a solution. So especially for Indian customers, it's excellent value for money. So we hope to see Zoho One do really well in India.
You are also enterprise resource planning model. ये सेगमेंट में बड़े बड़े कंपनीज हैं, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट है, ओरेकल है, एंड यू आर ऑल्सो फोकसिंग एंड यू आर बेसिकली टारगेटिंग स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस. सो व्हाट इज द बिजनेस मॉडल एंड हाउ स्मॉल एंड मीडियम business houses getting benefit out of Zoho?
So Zoho has made these business critical applications like CRM, books for accounting, help desk for customer support management. Zoho ने इन सारे business critical applications को affordable बना के स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस के लिए एक्सेसिबल करा दिया है. जब बड़े बड़े कंपनीज को देखेंगे, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, सेल्सफोर्स जैसे कंपनीज के प्रोडक्ट्स काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव, महंगे होते हैं, और उसके साथ साथ इन प्रोडक्ट्स को इम्प्लीमेंट कराने के लिए आप उस कंपनी के पार्टनर्स पे डिपेंड करोगे, और पार्टनर्स के अलग कंसल्टेशन फीस, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन फीस, ट्रेनिंग फीस रहेंगे. ये सब जोहो में आपको इन सब चीज़ों पे आप पैसा बचा सकते हैं. सो इट बिकम्स रियली अफोर्डेबल. हमारा सपोर्ट फ्री है, हमारा ट्रेनिंग फ्री है, और बेसिकली दी सॉफ्टवेयर आर वेरी इजी टू लर्न एंड इजी टू यूज. सो इट्स लाइक डू इट योरसेल्फ. आप खुद सीख सकते हैं कैसे यूज करना है सॉफ्टवेयर. तो इट्स रियली एडवांटेजेस फॉर स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइज.
ये जो आपका जो एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स के जो सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने के लिए मिनिमम साइज क्या होना चाहिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का?
ऐसे कोई मिनिमम साइज तो है नहीं वैसे, लेकिन यूजुअली हम कहते हैं कि अगर up to 50 or 100 users is called a small medium enterprise. और ज़्यादातर Zoho के customers small and medium enterprise के base में है. We have helped millions of such businesses grow with our software applications. And today, right now, globally, we have more than 35 million users. And most of them are small and medium enterprises.
Small and medium scale enterprises don't need any customization in Zoho, or whether they need.
Sometimes we come across customers जो customization की demand करते हैं. तो इस अगर हो सके कई बार ऐसा होता है कि इन customization request को हम खुद ऑफर करते, हम खुद डेवलप करके देते हैं, या फिर हमारे पार्टनर्स जो होते हैं, sometimes partners specialize in customizations, तो we pass the lead on to them. जो जैसे कि हम अभी भुवनेश्वर में पार्टनर्स की खोज में आए हैं टू रिक्रूट मोर पार्टनर्स. तो अगर ओडिशा के रीजन में या फिर ईस्ट इंडिया के रीजन में कस्टमर्स को अगर ऐसी कोई कस्टमाइजेशन रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी तो दे कैन कॉन्टैक्ट पार्टनर्स, Zoho partners in Orissa region.
How you are seeing the ecosystem in Odisha? Whether you have any plan for making Odisha conclave?
Looks like an exciting ecosystem. Lot of small and medium enterprises, lot of startups are coming out of Orissa. Like your own show addresses entrepreneurs by this show called Make in Orissa. So this is our very first attempt at having an event in Orissa. Depending on the response we get from this region, the interest from partners and customers, we will plan to participate in bigger events like Orissa Conclave maybe.
Planning for any office in Bhubaneswar?
As of now, it is not yet planned, but depending on how the market responds, अगर customers, बहुत सारे customers Zoho को adopt करते हैं और demand बढ़ेगी, तो we might plan for an office in this region. And all the data will be available across all applications. They don't need to do any further integrations. That is the biggest advantage. That is the biggest problem we want to solve with Zoho.
Thank you, Navneet.
Welcome. Thank you.